Why cooker? With a cooker in your home, you'll always have instant, 100 degrees boiling water. We started our journey in 1970 as the inventor of the boiling water tap. And now, Henri Pétery's simple but revolutionary idea is now a reality for millions of people. What are cooker's benefits? With a cooker, you'll always have the convenience of 100-degree boiling, hot, cold, chilled filtered, and sparkling water straight from the tap. With over 80 patents, the cooker is the only tap that can deliver true 100-degree boiling water. But what makes cooker unique? It's the only true 100-degree boiling water tap. Its stainless steel, patented high-vacuum insulation means every pour is boiling and fresh, making cooker the most efficient system there is. The only true 100-degree tap with a pull-out, flexible hose. The only one with an aerated spray, reducing the risk of scalding. And a unique push and turn system for built-in child safety. Our team of fully employed engineers are always available to ensure you'll always receive a prompt and reliable service.